Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I have the Massdrop Gavko Thresher here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, great design by Gavko. It's the Thresher. It's going to be around $200. It's made in China by We Knives. It's a pretty cool frame lock, 7.9 inches all long overall. It has a nice titanium anodization, scales going on with this green funky color. The pocket clip is something, it's the only thing that I'm not really a fan of, but everything else is pretty much spot on, especially the action. The blade is a 3.6 inch long clip point Bowie kind of thing, made in S35 VN steel, so pretty good to go. Satin finish, flat ground with this pretty cool plunge grind, wavy line going on. The sound it makes is also cool. It's like this, it's interesting. It's loud, of course. It's a nice clack. When you close it, it's a nice clink. So not unobtrusive. It's kind of loud, but I like it. The action is what I love, because you can do like two hands deployment like that. You can just thumb flick it. You can just spidey flick it, and the detent is absolutely perfectly dialed in. The weight is going to be 4.6 ounces. As I said, the clip, I'm not really a fan of this bent slabs kind of clip, but what I'm a fan of is the grip, guys. This is just perfect. I mean, I accept the clip like this, ugly in this sense, but it's absolutely functional. It's very comfortable. There's no jimping going on, but no hot spots going on. Super smooth, super fast. Detent is dialed in. Guys, this is a fun knife to play with. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.